Anybody with me? No. He's a goner.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. It's really fun making it. Like really fun. And if you didn't know, on Thursday I was sick. So, I just decided to make a video. And it was pretty fun. And if you didn't know where I was at my mom's work. Yeah, where my mom works. And, Noah was,
at school during that time.
yeah, but afterwards he helped me edit, so thank him. And yeah, we just like to say one thing:
If you like NJ,
be epic. Bye.